Welcome to the morning show for stimulus and more. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, share these videos out. How did we let this happen? The Mooch Man and Crazy Nancy are still in charge of our government. How did we let that happen? They were supposed to be voted out. The way the two of them has messed over the American people, how could we let this happen? And really, by letting this happen, nothing has changed. Nothing at all. It's the same old corrupt politicians still in office. So in this election, the American people accomplished absolutely nothing. The Mooch Man did say yesterday, we need to get the stimulus bill passed before the new year. This is good. It looks like we may have his support on this. He is also sounding like he wants this right away. And he is not talking about the skinny bill this time. But he will still need to get an agreement from the White House and Crazy Nancy before anything can be done. But y'all, I don't see that happening until after this election garbage is over. With this election the way it is, I think it can be tied up in massive lawsuits for many months to come. I wish the Supreme Court could stop all these lawsuits with the election and just let's say the winner is the winner and the loser is the loser, because really that's going to be the outcome anyway. No matter how many lawsuits they have, the winner will be the winner at the end of the day, and the loser will still be the loser at the end of the day. It's just kicking the can down the road. And it's not fair to the American people to put us through all of this crap. All the finger pointing, all the fighting, all the harsh words back and forth. We're tired of it. We don't need this anymore. It is time for healing in our country and bring back a little sanity back to the best country in the world. Y'all, the longer the lawsuits drag on, I believe it will just be longer until the American people gets the help with a stimulus bill and a stimulus check. I believe we have the Mooch Man's support on this now. And it looks like it could happen. But as long as all of these lawsuits are going on, that's just going to slow down progress. Y'all, somebody said yesterday in one of my videos in the comments that the longer all of this goes on without a stimulus package and a stimulus check, the more likely the lawmakers will say, maybe they don't need it. They're getting by just fine all of this time. And really, I'm beginning to see that also. So maybe that is true. And it could be just what the lawmakers are waiting to do. We know they're in no big hurry to get us any stimulus money or stimulus help in any way, because if they were, it would have been done by now. I do believe that with all the people that done the mail-in votes, We should wait until all the votes are counted. But before the elections next time, we need to fix this process so it don't hold up the outcome of the election past election night. But it's too late to try to fix that now. It's much too late. It was legal for them to cast their votes by mail, and there was no cutoff date. So we have to honor that. The Mooch man said yesterday that there is $150 billion in the CARES Act, and we need another rescue package. And he also said the Senate goes back to work next Monday. He said hopefully the partisan passion that stopped the rescue package will subside with the election. He said he thinks we need to do it and do it before the end of the year. I tend to agree with him, and I think everybody else would also. The good thing here is now it looks like we got his support, and Crazy Nancy has lost a lot of her power. Yes, she is still queen on her throne. She is still Speaker of the House. But she has lost a lot of bargaining power. So maybe she will say yes to something now. The American people needs help, and they need it now. And it looks like we may get it with Mooch McConnell's help. Man, that's a turnaround, ain't it? It looks like Mooch McConnell may be the one that's helping us now. We'll have to wait and see. I think they all like to play the good cop, bad cop thing. They take turns. Y'all, this election is just about over. If we get past all these lawsuits, it will be over. There is nothing we can do to change the outcome of the election now. The only thing we can do is change the way we react to it. If we didn't win what we wanted to win, we can be cold, calloused, we can be bitter, we can be full of hate, or we can move on and make the best life for ourselves that we can. It's up to us. We can either take the low road or the high road. I'm choosing the high road. That's why I'm saying right now, everybody, you need to start your side hustle, a side business, online business, anything like that to generate some money for yourself. That way, when stuff like this happens, you don't have to depend on the government, because we see the government is not there to help us. So we have to take care of ourselves. And it's not too late for you to do that now. You can always start an online business, an online hustle. It don't even have to be online. If you're a man, you can go out and cut grass. You can do odd jobs around the neighborhood for neighbors. If you're a female, you can babysit. You can take in ironing. You can do clothes mending. All kinds of stuff you can do to generate some income for your family. Or you can turn it into a full-fledged career. The choice is yours, but you have to take care of yourself, because the government is not going to do it. We see that. Y'all, businesses online now and physical businesses are easier than ever to start. A lot of the local governments has relaxed the restrictions that they've put on certain types of businesses because they know how bad everybody's hurting and they know everybody needs to generate an income for themselves. Online business are very easy to start. Look around your house. There's people that makes a full-time career out of eBay. Just look around your house. There's plenty of stuff around your house that you don't want and you don't need. Clean it up. Put it on eBay. You can generate money that way. There's all kinds of ways to start making money. And eBay can be a full-time career. It don't have to be a side hustle. You can make a full-time career out of it. Look up on YouTube eBay sellers. Just watch their videos. You'll learn a lot from them. There is tons of people that makes eBay their full-time career and they make six-figure incomes. I used to watch them all the time, and at first I didn't believe their hype about all the money they're making until I really started digging in and watching them. They are making that money. So that's an option for you. Y'all, I've said it before, I'll say it again. We will get out of this. Y'all, please check out my links below. It might be something there you want. And one quick note, if you do want a stun gun, pepper spray, or a tactical knife, that's in my links below. You need to get them now. I've got like 27 of them left right now, and I won't be getting no more until after the first of the year. So if you want some for Christmas gifts or anything, you need to get them soon. I do have a new cookbook. It's on my cooking channel. I did post a recipe over there today, and I'm telling you about the cookbook. So be sure and check out that channel. And y'all, we will get out of this with the help of Jesus Christ. This is going to start being the only video I have for a while. It's going to be an early morning show, and I'm going to still have my late night with Walter Weyburn show. I won't have any more during the daytime unless something really, really drastic that needs to get out happens. I'm just making too many videos. I've got too many irons in the fire, and I'm just overworking myself. So I am going to back away to just 2 videos a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I hope y'all like the new way I'm doing these videos. Please let me know in the comments below. And just know I do love you all, and we will get out of this with the grace of Jesus Christ. Say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for the people that's touched by COVID. Say a prayer for the people that's been hurt by the actions of our government. And just know, I love you all. God does answer prayers, and He works miracles every day. I am living proof of a miracle that He performed. I love you all. Ciao.